Hello everyone, let's make this mind-blowing slide today, and if you do not subscribe our channel then please subscribe it now. So let's start by changing the background color to black. Then go to shapes and select text box and write Delhi in it. Then we will change the font color to white, font to the Eras bold and font size to be 270. Then align it to the center of the slide. After this, go to the shapes again and insert a triangle and cover the upper half of the text. Then duplicate the slide and shift the rectangle to the lower half to cover the text. Then select the text and press Ctrl and select the shape. Then we will go to shape format, merge shapes and then select subtract. Do same with the second slide. Then cut the upper half text by pressing Ctrl plus X and paste it to the first slide by pressing Ctrl plus V. Then we will go to the transition tab and use morph transition. Now duplicate the slide 2 times. On first slide, divide both part of the text in opposite direction as you can see I am doing. Then go to third slide and shift the upper text to the top of the slide and lower text to the bottom of the slide. And guys, don't forget to maintain the alignment. Now go to Insert tab, go to Pictures and select a beautiful image for this text. Align it to the size of the text. Then we will go to Picture Format, select Crop tool and crop the picture to the ending and starting point of both the text. Adjust the image accordingly and then crop the sides so that it will go according to our text. Now copy the picture with Ctrl plus C and paste it to the second slide. Wrap up the picture to the middle of the slide and it's done. Here is your final work. And if you find this helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.